Welcome. In front of me is an AMAZFIT Cheetah, and today I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look at the watch itself. Let's just get straight into it. Flipping it over, we have just a bit of information about the watch itself. So we have dual band GPS and route navigation. Then we have advanced running partner. I'm not really sure how that works. Monitors health and sport data and listen to music. So that's supposed to be the partner, I guess. I'm not sure. AI-powered training support. Streamlined sport design. It does look like it's kind of like a sporty watch. With a 1.39-inch AMOLED display with lightweight fiber-reinforced polymer body. Long battery life. Automatic GPS mode. Intelligently adjusts GPS settings to conserve battery or power. So there we go. Anyway, let's just pop it open. There we go. Come on. Come on, open up. Or am I trying to open it up the wrong way? Oh, this is the right way. Come on. There we go. Okay, popping that out. Okay, so here we have the watch itself. Here we have the charger. So it comes with a little magnetic puck that you attach at the bottom. And then we have our instructions here, and that's about it. Now taking a look at the watch itself. A pretty nice vibrant display right here. Though I do want to point out it's not as smooth as some recently released watches. Ones that don't even run Android, but something like the Xiaomi smart bands do have what I could consider more responsive UI compared to this one. Now, interestingly enough, this is a rotating crown, so you can see it does scroll down, and it does have a haptic feedback behind it, a fairly strong motor, so it does feel okay. It's not actual like haptic feedback like on a phones where it just feels like an actual tap or something like along those lines. This you can definitely feel it's a vibration, but it is relatively solid, I would say. Nothing compared to something like Apple Watch. So just as a comparison to Apple Watch, nowhere near that kind of level. Now, in terms of the design, you can see we have this very breathable kind of silicone strap with a lot of perforations, with the typical belt buckle design with removable strap, so you can just kind of unclip it easily right here and swap it for something else. But the little yellow parts right here and here are part of the actual watch body. So if you want to, I don't know, make it look a little bit more stylish, maybe you want to put on some like leather strap on here. It will still have these yellow accents, so it might not look as good. This is obviously designed for sports, and it does look kind of sporty. In terms of weight wise, it's relatively light. It's not the lightest thing I have felt, so it doesn't feel cheap, because I would say there is a point where if you reduce the weight too much, it might just feel like a toy, and that's again not good. So this one is basically in that sweet spot where it's relatively light, but still has a decent amount of weight to make you feel like you actually have a functioning product. And yeah, that's about it. So it's my look over the watch, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.